Hey everyone, I'm Kirsten and welcome to Make It Fall with Walmart. And today we are going to be doing something really fun. We are going to make these adorable fall pumpkins using basic Bundt pans. So let me show you what you need to get started. So first, pick your Bundt pans. They have medium, they have small. You will need 2 of each size to create your pumpkin. And then we are using Waverly Inspiration Chalk Paint. The palette that I'm using is Pink Cloud, Pink Sky, Pumpkin, and then I'm gonna accent with Plaster. You're also gonna need your Waverly Inspiration Chalk Brush, and then just a variety of basic painting brushes. We're gonna be using Aleene's Tacky Glue and also Podge Matte Clear Acrylic Sealer to prep everything. And also available at Walmart, you are gonna need just an assortment of fall greenery, whatever you're gonna use to accent your pumpkins to create the leaves and the stems. Okay, so the first thing, you've picked your Bundt pans. You've got 2 of the same size to create your pumpkin. And the first thing you are going to do is you are gonna spray that with Mod Podge Matte Acrylic Sealer. And what that does is it gives you a matte surface that allows your paint to adhere better. So it gives you a perfect surface to paint. You're gonna apply that, let that dry overnight, and then you're gonna take your Bundt pans, you're gonna flip them both over, and using Aleene's Tacky Glue, you're going to apply glue around the edge of both of your Bundt pans. And then while the glue is still tacky, stack your Bundt pans and just press them together. Line up. If there is a pattern on your Bundt pan, you'll see there's that little beveled raised edge. Just line that up so you've got a consistent pattern. And then just take your finger or a paper towel and get any glue that has dripped out of the edges. Don't worry about cleaning it up too much because it dries clear. And then just let that dry. I'm gonna base coat this little one with Waverly Pumpkin. I'm just gonna pour that onto the palette. The Waverly chalk paint is so wonderful for so many different surfaces and great for home decor. Depending on the color, I'm gonna apply the first coat, let that dry completely, and then I'll apply a second coat. So I've got a really even base coat. So to create all the fun accents, I'm using plaster and a thin liner brush. And all I'm gonna do is pick these ridges on the Bundt pan, and I'm just gonna accent those with little dash brush strokes. I just wanna give a cute pattern to all of my home decor pumpkins. And then once all of your pumpkins are dry and you've added your accent, simply add glue to the bottom of your twig that you have cut the right size to fit in the center of the Bundt pan. Attach that, and then whatever greenery you chose to accent your pumpkin with, just add that to your twig. And you've got the cutest little pumpkin for your fall decor. For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com and visit your local Walmart.